life as you know. You reap what you sow. And when you do good, Allah will protect you and stop you falling down. Allah we surrender, 'cause He knows all, no compromise. Hears your laugh and feels your cry. He is there all the time. Make dua, praise Allah. Our iman will grow. Inshallah, we will go far. There's a long way to go. We pray salat is from the heart. Love will keep us whole. And when you're feeling down, you know the way to go. To my faith and searching a beast to set me free for my iman to raise. Allah we surrender. I'm always looking out for the sign to honor you and make you proud. Together we will